Come with me and explore this new co-working space sa may Makati. This is 010 Park by the company Manila. Ito yung kanilang opening and I am very, very grateful and thankful na na-invite ako dito. So, ayan yung mga owners. The owner talaga is a Japanese citizen, yung guy na nasa gitna. But managed or may co-owner din siya na Filipino. Una silang meron ito sa Cebu and then now they opened also here in Makati. I'll tag them in the description so that you can check out the exact address and of course the rates. So very colorful. The one thing that I really liked about this place or this co-working space is sobrang colorful niya. Hindi siya boring. May mga plants, may mga areas pa nga na ang ganda for mga photo shoot. And then meron siyang iba't ibang klaseng offices. Meron siyang office na ganyan yung may kanya-kanyang table. May mga offices din na pwede kayong parang conference room. Tapos ayan, may mga phone booth yung tawag nila where you can take in your Zoom calls or your online calls na ikaw lang mag-isa. Tapos soundproof na din siya. And then they also have this open area kung saan pwede kayong mag-events or activities. I heard may mga nagbaballet class din dyan. And then they also have that mga solo booth pero hindi yan soundproof. Parang if you want to be alone, ayaw mo na may kasama, you can stay in these type of booths. Tapos ayan, pwede kayong may mga conference, may mga places din siya, conference room, may mga places din siya na pwedeng may yung projector screen, may whiteboard, yung ganyan. So, you can explore different types of offices. And then, ayan yung mga sinasabi kong mga small places where you can just like hang out, yung mga ganyan. Tapos, meron din silang, you can rent the spaces for months. Kunyari, gusto mo dyan everyday. So, you can rent it out for a whole month. Pwede rin kayong mag-rent as a whole office. So, kunyari, you want to rent one whole conference room for your office ng X time, kunyari, start time to end time, tas everyday yon. Pwede nyo yun yung gawin dyan. And then yan, I think these are lockers or cabinets, pero this is their pantry. Ang nice ng pantry nila kasi may coffee maker na sila, may mga panghugas, may water, and then what I like about this pantry, yung view. Ang ganda ng view doon kung saan pwedeng magtambay. But yeah, link down below.